Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to unbox something that I found really interesting and I think it'll be interesting for you also. It is EGLOO security camera, which I'm holding in my hands right now. And the first thing I see is the box itself, which seems to contain a lot of information about the product. And on top it says, "Be secure and protect your loved one." This is a great motto for a security camera. It should protect everyone and it should keep your place secure. Either it's your home, either it's your business, or maybe you have children or pets at home. This security camera is designed particularly for that. On the side, we can see that it has 1080p Full HD video quality, live stream and watch recordings. This can also check temperature and humidity on smartphone. So let's open the box first and see what's inside the packaging. And what we can see first when we open the box is the camera itself. It's wrapped in this paper bag and it looks like this. Its material feels and seems quite durable. This product seems to be designed with plastic. The top is also plastic and in between there's like a rubber material and it just looks good. So the camera seems to have an SD port on the back side and whenever it records something, it will be written on the SD card. It also seems to have a speaker on the back side. It has infrared light as well as the microphone which detects the sound. So other than the camera, we can see this plastic piece and I'm guessing this is supposed to mount on the wall or on the ceiling because it has these types of screws. So you can have your camera on the ceiling, on the wall, whichever is most comfortable for you. The packaging also includes this USB Type-C cable to plug in your camera and to have it connected. It says it's switching adapter. The cable is quite long. I don't think you can even see the full length in the camera. Now what I'm gonna try to do is connect this USB to the camera from the port which is underneath the camera. And it's done pretty well, because when we connect it, we can see that the cable is protected in this small gap under the camera. I connected it, it's blinking red now, which I think means that it's starting up. Now I'm just gonna wait for a couple of seconds and see what it does.
Please enter wireless router information using your smartphone.
Okay. Oh, it's moving by itself. Let's now try to connect the phone to the camera using Wi-Fi and an application which is called EGLOO. I downloaded the application, it's on Play Store, it's on iOS, and now all I need is to go into my app and see what it says. First, it requires us to log in into an account, which I already did. I'm just gonna press the plus button on the app, then I'm gonna choose the corresponding camera. Press next. The LED is blinking white, which is it's on standby mode and it's ready to be connected. I'm just gonna press next, go to Wi-Fi settings, and yeah, there's EGLOO CAM S4 something. So the camera has its own Wi-Fi, which you need to connect to first and then connect to your Wi-Fi. It's currently connecting to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds, maybe a minute or two. After some waiting, now we can see that the camera is connected and I can now name it. I'm gonna name it, let's say, Buddy. I'm gonna call it Buddy because it's cute, it's small, and the name suits it. The camera has free cloud recording, save 3 days for 1 month, and it's for 1 month only trial. And also we can select SD card recording. I don't have SD card right now, so I'm gonna select free cloud recording. And the camera has been added normally. Check the camera you have added to the device list. Now in the app, I can already see Buddy option, which is the camera. When we first go into the app, we can already see a lot of functions. The neat thing I found is the climate option and climate function, which when you turn on, you can see the live humidity and temperature of where the camera is located at. You can check the sound option to hear the camera's microphone. You can also press the talk button to talk through the camera. The camera is equipped with 360 degrees radius pan and tilt function, which you can control from the app and rotate it wherever you want and see everything. It also has 1080p resolution, which gives you a clear picture of what's happening in the room. The camera's wide 140-degree angle of view allows you to see most of the room in just one point of view. EGLOO CAM S4 is a home CCTV system manufactured and developed directly by EGLOO. In addition to the basic camera functions, EGLOO CAM S4 is equipped with a smart remote control function, enabling you to remotely control home appliances, temperature, and a humidity sensor. And it even has a function that allows you to check through the app in real time and see all of that in live. The camera is really convenient, the functions are easy to learn and easy to control. The camera also has a cloud storage mode, which when you register, it gives you automatically. You can use the cloud storage mode for 1 month, and after that you need to upgrade your membership or just use the SD card. In the addition of functions, on the left tab you can see the thumbnails on the bottom of the live view, and the 24/7 recording is marked with red bar, and when detecting sound and movement it is marked with green and yellow bars each. The real-time temperature and humidity can be checked on, and only after that you can see the function work in the app. You also have access to motion and sound detection function, which gives you a notification anytime there's a sound or movement. You can of course adjust those features from the option by adjusting the sound levels for sound detection and mark the designated area for motion detection. I don't know what else to say. I really like this camera and I would definitely use this. But yeah, with exploring all of those features, this camera still has a lot to offer. So if you want to find out some more details, you can also read the manual or see the tutorial videos that are located on the app itself. I hope you liked this video and I hope you found this informational, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.